Okay, yesterday I was on the forums, Facebook Jeep forums. I think it was Planet of the Jeeps. Oh, one of them. I asked about grab handles, and this morning I get a package from Amazon with grab handles. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to show how they're installed, if I can figure out how they go in. I never profess to know everything. And excuse the furnace noise. It's cold in here. So anyway, got a package. Let's open it up. Another package. Another package. Starting to see through. The way they package these things is ridiculous. 3 bags for one item. Jeez. Okay, so basically these go on around the roll bar above the door and hang down to make it easier for us old people to get in and out. So I'd like to thank the person that paid for these for me. It's kind of you. And if you want to help contribute to my videos, there will be a link in the description for my Patreon account. So, get these installed. Basically, you guys are pretty smart. They just Velcro on. I'll put them on and I'll take a shot. Show you what they look like. Okay, step 1. Unfortunately for me, is to remove the top and probably the door surrounds, making this a project for another time. Yep, I think this is going to have to wait. I will try to film it. As silly as it is, I might as well film it. So. Alright, let me get the top off and I will start fresh on a new video. I'm just going to end this one here.